sorry. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello. Here's something for the real life tour. First of all, the jungle close water wall. So your baby gets what? Be careful electronic items such as mobile phones and camera. And also please keep your heart body inside the boat throughout the journey. Okay, on the right hand side we can see the Tai Seng tree house. The Tai Seng tree house. If you want to go to the tree house, it's very easy. You will take the route on the left hand side. Can you see this dog? Okay, let's say hello to the people on the dog. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello!
Okay.
Yeah. One second on the right hand side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello! Yeah. See? They seem really happy. Okay, everybody, look ahead. What can you see? We can see the mom, the elephant, and the baby elephant. It seems that the mom, the elephant, is teaching her baby how to use his trunk. But don't worry, we won't get what? Because the baby elephant only practicing. It's powerless. Yeah. Okay, on the right hand side, we can see the blonde elephant. He's taking a shower since day 7 o'clock. See all those wrinkles? I think he has been working a long period of time. Yeah. Oh! The father of us is here, and he wants us to us. Also, okay, please sit down. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Okay, but one of past the next target is you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. But no water. Okay, maybe next time. I'll put the father and put the main river. So we want to turn to this terrible place. It's very dark. Okay, gentlemen, please remain seated. Yeah. Oh, no, I can see the cockroach. I can see the big spiders. Can you see the big spiders? Yeah. Okay, be careful because I know that they can jump over 200 feet. But luckily, I'm only 10 feet away. So if they jump, they will jump over us. Now take a look ahead. We can see the golden elephant and 2 king cobras. The 2 king cobras are protecting the golden elephant for over 500 years. Everybody be careful because the left hand side also has one. Yeah, the king cobras will jump into our boat and bite you. Yeah. Okay, ladies, please remain seated. Okay, ladies? Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Yeah, the boat's moving is very dangerous. Thank you. Oh, can you see the crocodile just ahead? Everybody, please keep your hands and legs inside the boat because the crocodile didn't have the lunch yet. You keep your hands and legs outside, then they will have the lunch now. Okay, I know that Professor Potter. Just have a campsite ahead. Let's take a reset. Let me see. Oh, Dominic Let's stay up and get close. Everybody, does anyone wear yellow clothes? If yes, no, there's only a banana. It's really dangerous. Everything is on banana. You're so fucking stupid. Okay, everybody, are you okay. Okay, then let's go to Africa. We can see the giraffe and the seagrass. But by the way, do you know the differences between the male seagrass and the female seagrass? Do you know the differences? Yes? No? No, I teach you. The male seagrass are very bright choice and the females are very bright choice. Yeah, now can you understand, madam? Which one is the male and which one is the female? Yeah. No, maybe next time. Yeah. Use 5 years. Time as an elephant. Animal in the jungle. So be careful. Let's go on. Let's continue our journey. Oh, inside the water, we can see the hippos. I can see the hippos and animals. In underwater, everybody watch out. I know that each hippo has 4 tongues. And they bite our nose and our boat will sing. Can you see this one here? They want to come after the cheese in order to escape from the behind here. But sorry, my dear fool, I can't help you. Bye bye, see you next time. Yeah. Maybe next time I can help you. Yeah. Oh, my goodness, schools. Oh, we entered the Atlantis territory and they had the signpost. They said that remove your jewelries and watches now, so that if we eat you, we don't get damage. Okay, we move on. You just remove our jewelries and watches. That's good. Yeah, hello, we have removed our watches and jewelries now. But can you donate us? No. It's good. It seems to be going away. That's good. Is that what I say now?
มันจะอยู่ตรงนี้
Please remain seated. Yeah, everybody, does anybody get hurt by the poison ducks? Do you get hurt by the poison ducks? No? No? That's good. If yes, you can bring around forward back. But we are not allowed to do any souvenir. Okay, lady, can you remain seated? Yeah. Lady, please remain seated. Yeah, it's very dangerous. My boat's moving. Yeah. Okay, let's... Everybody's okay, then let's go back to the dock now. We just turn the hand just this way. And move straight forward and go back to the dock now. Just move the hand. Oh! Why don't I suppose to put the main river out? Wow! And then there's a hobby. Turn right side, please. Oh, but the right side is the king of the god. The place of what the god and time the god. The fire could get the fire. Come. You see? The fire could get the fire could get Okay, everybody, I want to ask, does anyone disappear? If yes, just raise up your hand and let me know. Then I can help you. No? No? That's good. That means all absent are made safe now. Then let's say goodbye to the baby Evan. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye! Yeah. Okay, then let's go back to the dock now. When we go back to the dock, everybody, please remain seated and please keep your hands and legs inside the boat. Mind your elbows, please. Yeah, okay, last question. Do you enjoy the trip?
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, I also enjoyed it. So, every day I pray it for 56 times. Yeah, and every time I feel very happy. So, everybody, thank you for your coming and thank you for your loving. If you didn't love it all, sorry. Thank you for your leaving now.